The 4 fundamental principles of natural soil fertility and vegetation. The 4 fundamental principles of natural soil fertility and vegetation are: avoid waterlogging of the soil. This can lead to the death of soil microbes and the loss of nutrients. Do not disturb the soil. Tillage can damage the soil structure and release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Cover the soil with organic mulch. Mulch can protect the soil from erosion, retain moisture and moderate soil temperature, which is necessary to maintain organic matter in the soil and provide a good environment for microbes to function. Promote biodiversity. A diverse range of plant and animal species helps to maintain healthy soil ecosystems. These principles are important for maintaining soil health and fertility over the long term. However, they are not always incorporated into industrial agricultural practices. There are a number of reasons for this. First, industrial agriculture is often focused on maximizing short-term yields, which can sometimes come at the expense of long-term soil health and fertility. Practices such as tillage, use of agrochemicals, and monoculture farming, which can be detrimental to soil health over time, are still widely used in industrial agriculture because they can help boost yields in the short term. Second, industrial agriculture often relies on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, which are often promoted to farmers. While synthetic inputs can help boost yields in the short term, they can also contribute to soil degradation and environmental pollution over time. Finally, many farmers and agricultural companies may simply not be aware of the benefits of sustainable agricultural practices, or may not have access to the resources or knowledge needed to implement them effectively. Despite these challenges, there is growing recognition of the importance of sustainable agricultural practices such as PQNK that prioritize soil health and fertility. Many farmers and organizations are exploring and implementing practices that align with the natural algorithms of soil fertility and vegetation, such as planting on raised beds, no-till farming, multi-cropping, and covering soil with organic mulch. These practices are restoring soil health and fertility, while also supporting biodiversity and reducing environmental impact. Additionally, they are reducing the cost of production while producing nutrition-dense food for all living beings. Call to action. We must all work together to transition to sustainable agricultural practices that protect our soil and environment for future generations. PQNK, pronounced as picnic, stands for Peter Tradi Nizam Kashadakiari, which means Sustainable Natural Farming System. This system is inclusive and conclusive for future agriculture, and it has sustained for over 400 million years to provide food for all living kind for their sustainability.